Hello, everyone. Welcome to Advanced Exception Handling. In the previous lesson, we learned the fundamentals of exception handling using try, catch, and finally blocks. In this module, we will explore more advanced exception handling techniques, including the use of the throw keyword, the throws keyword, custom exceptions, and input validation. These tools help programmers create applications that are more secure, organized, and capable of handling unexpected situations effectively. Let's begin with the throw keyword. The throw keyword is used when a programmer wants to manually create and trigger an exception. Normally, Java generates exceptions automatically when errors occur. However, there are situations where we want to define our own conditions for when an exception should happen. In the example shown, an arithmetic exception is created with the message invalid operation. When the throw statement is executed, Java immediately stops the normal flow of the program and looks for an appropriate exception handler. This allows developers to enforce rules and prevent invalid operations from continuing. Next, let's discuss the throws keyword. Unlike throw, which creates an exception, the throws keyword is used to declare that a method may generate an exception. This serves as a warning to anyone using the method that an exception could occur during execution. In the example shown, the read file method declares that it may throw an I/O exception. As a result, any code that calls this method must either handle the exception using a try-catch block or pass the responsibility to another method. Using throws improves code readability and helps programmers manage exceptions more effectively. Java also allows programmers to create their own exceptions, known as custom exceptions. Custom exceptions are useful when built-in exceptions do not clearly describe a specific problem within an application. To create a custom exception, a new class is created that extends the exception class. In the example shown, the myException class accepts a message and passes it to the parent exception class using the super keyword. Custom exceptions make programs easier to understand because they provide more meaningful descriptions of errors. One practical use of advanced exception handling is input validation. Input validation ensures that users enter acceptable and meaningful data before the program processes it. In the example shown, the variable age is assigned a value of -1. Since age cannot be negative, the program checks whether the value is less than 0. If the condition is true, an illegal argument exception is thrown with the message invalid age. This prevents incorrect data from entering the system and helps maintain the accuracy and reliability of the application. To summarize, the throw keyword is used to manually create exceptions, while the throws keyword declares that a method may generate an exception. We also learned how custom exceptions can be created to handle application-specific problems and how input validation helps prevent invalid data from being processed. These advanced exception handling techniques allow programmers to build applications that are more reliable, secure, and easier to maintain. Thank you for watching, and continue practicing these concepts to strengthen your Java programming skills.